Hi, I'm Dora Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup Blog. And today I am going to be unboxing some things I got from the most recent Ipsy sale. Now, I no longer have a subscription at the moment. It's with Ipsy, but I keep getting invitations to lure me back in. So they invited me to a sale that they had online, which I decided to check out. And I think I got a couple of things that I will enjoy. What do you think? Let's see and find out. Okay, so the first thing that I saw that I remember that I was intrigued to try is this Avita, and this looks like a sample of their cherry almond hand and body wash. Now, I love the smell of cherry and I love the smell of almond, and to have them together, I'm sure it smells delicious. And the brand Avita is a well-known brand. Let's see how this smells, shall we? It kind of smells a little like a cherry pie. Continuing on. I can't wait to try that, by the way. I got this because I was intrigued by it. I'm like so happy I got it. And this is from the company called Kimchi. And I think they have Plastique Tiara on the cover. I am so happy about that. I follow. If you haven't followed Plastique Tiara on Instagram, you should. Amazing content. And this is Life in Plastique. Nude sensation. These two queens go full nude. The other queen, other side. Their bronzer, the Kimchi bronzer, is amazing. It's amazing. And I featured it here a couple times. I'm not sure, but if I haven't, I will in there. Oh, here we go. Wow. Is that gorgeous or is that gorgeous? So, Kimchi Chic and Plastique Tiara or Tiara. That's back. And I think this opens up. Is that amazing or what? I can't wait to try this. Packaging is gorgeous. So this is a a collab that they did. Kimchi did with Plastique Tiara or Tiara. So I can't wait to feature this in an upcoming video, which I will. I just want to try this really quick. I want to show you up close. Do you see the embossments? I guess they call them embossing images. Like emoji faces almost, with K and the P. It's like this blush bronzer. Let me see how this works. One side says Kimchi Cheeks Stage and Plastique Tiara's Stage. So it's like a darker side, lighter side, I guess. I love Kimchi. Oh, it's so smooth. I don't know if you want to. Oh, that's just the blush on this side, I think. This is the Kimchi side. It feels like almost like butter. It's so creamy. I think I'm gonna love this. Look at that. Hello. Hello. Let's try the K. Again, it feels like butter. And look at that. Look at that shimmer. And this is the top. This one, the bronzer. Again, this is on the Kimchi side. I know that it's going to be incredible, but beautiful. I love it. There's no scent, so that's good. Let's see. I think you could use all of this for the looks that they're wearing, to be quite honest. So that is the Kimchi side. Now we're going to do the Plastique Tiara side. So this, I'm assuming, is sort of like the highlighter bronzer for them. No, I think this is the blush. What do you think? I need to try another side. Okay, so that's the other side. This is the shimmer or the highlight. Love it. Just goes on so creamy. Look at that. So that's more of like a bronze or gold, and this is more like a icy. And the side that reads like a blush. That's interesting. It's like a brown. So I'm gonna see how that works. Again, like butter. Oh my goodness. So this has, it seems like a little more red or pink than that side. So what do you think? Wow. Those colors are amazing. And the thing is that I'm looking at this and it's like, these are supposed to be, I think, the blushes. These are supposed to be the highlighter, and this is supposed to be the bronzer. And this is really light for a bronzer. The bronzer on the Princess Tiara side, I'm sorry, the Plastique Tiara side. The blush is this one against this one. Highlighter against the highlighter. And then this is, I think, the contour. And that's the other side contour. But to me, these two look more contoury, even though this was on the opposite side. So what do you think? What do you think? I am intrigued. And it's just so, I mean, the color is there, the pigmentation is there, it goes on, glides on smooth. It feels like butter when you just touch the pan, and the little goes a long way. I'm really excited. I can't wait to try this. Okay, the next thing I got is from Violet Voss, which I may have one other Violet Voss eye palette, I'm not really sure. I know I have a lot more ColourPop, that definitely. But here we go. Violet Voss, and this is the Sakura Blossom, and I'm just loving the color concept. Is that gorgeous? I will be featuring this in an upcoming video. And I think that is it. That is it for my collection that I received during the Ipsy sale. So what do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Are you like me, like you were a long time Ipsy subscriber and then you decided to give it a break for a while, and then you get these emails enticing you and saying, hey, would you like to still check out our edit sales and stuff and see what we have, incredible, you know, prices? And I know I got all of these for at least half off, and I just can't wait to try every single one of these. I am really excited that I'm able to pick freely what I want. It's nice to get a surprise every now and then, and to get surprise in subscription boxes, which is part of the charm of getting a subscription box, to get the bang for your buck, and also to have a little bit of Christmas, you know, every month. The other side is sometimes you get things that either you don't want, you're not crazy about, or you honestly don't use. So in this aspect, I like that I'm able to pick exactly what I want, be choosy about it, and decide what it is I want. So I'm really excited about this. I don't know if this is a new option that Ipsy is doing for people, but I'm here for it. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below if you've encountered a similar experience with Ipsy. And again, thank you for joining me on my latest unboxing. And if you haven't done so already, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you will know my next video will be up. Thank you so much for joining me on my latest unboxing with Ipsy, and I hope to see you on my next video. Take care. Stay safe. Bye.